Right, following on from the other video, part 1, this is part 2, and I decided that because the authorization of my YouTube channel, for some reason, it was within a few hours, literally, didn't have to wait long. But the weird thing is I had half a dozen emails from them saying that all of my channels were authorized. Well, don't understand that because they're already, I can already live stream from all of them, so I don't understand why that one channel has, unless of course it's because it's a top level channel, and the other ones are sort of related to it, so it's obviously done all the rest of them. However, I decided overnight that I would do a live stream, and it seems to be, well, you can see for yourself, it does work. However, I have a few questions, and of course, here we go. Okay, so we're going to do the live streaming again. Wow. Where it finds my device. Not found. Come on. This is the trouble with the Mimo app. This is normal speed, so you press the buttons and then wait. It's like there's a lag. My Osmo is turned on. This is not working for some unknown reason. Right, I've moved it, so it's actually the camera is now 8 inches. I mean, literally was only 2 foot away, but now it's 8 inches. Still not finding it. Oh, here we go. So how long is that? Clearly, lag, slow, this is real time, by the way. I know I've got my computer and everything and Wi-Fi, but the phone is actually separate. I've got a screen recorder, which obviously is connected to the phone. Otherwise, I can't record the actual video. So, oh yeah, it's shown up on the camera now as playback is in progress. That's good. Right, let's go into the actual camera. Okay, now somewhere on there, live stream. Suppose I gotta wait. I've pressed it again. Can't believe how slow this. Oh yeah, There we go. So we've got that message again. I'll wait. Last time it went through. You see, it's like this just happens every time with this app. Happened last time, but the thing did go through. Is it going to work or not? Oh, here we go. Has it gone back? Yes, it has. So it needed a like a error message, and then it came through YouTube. Start a live stream. Now, what's different is my YouTube channel has now been authorized. It was authorized really quickly. Right, so we're on the Wi-Fi. That's the same as last time. Test. And all the rest of it's all the same. And unfortunately, we still can't change the YouTube channel. So start live stream. Right, start live stream. Obviously, it's on the camera. It says preparing, and it says connected. So the camera is actually now saying live. So you can see this is a camera, the mobile phone view. That's the Mimo app. And on the left screen we have YouTube channel. Let's go over and refresh. Right, there's our, it says it's upcoming, so it's not actually live. Viewing live control. Okay, now if I remember rightly, there we go. So this is what I was on about with other cameras I've tried live streaming with, is that you need to go into your computer desktop version on the browser, because before it will live stream you need to go into this button up here, go live button. So until you do that, you're not live, and this is the problem. So if you're out and about and you're using your phone to live stream via Mimo, now obviously I'm on my desktop computer here, whether you can open up a browser window on your phone and still keep the Mimo app working, I don't know, because I've not tried it. But the point is, unless you click that button like that, now we're live. So we are live via the Osmo 360 camera. Obviously there's a little bit of lag between the screen and what actually is. It's complaining about the bit rate, so it's lower than the recommended bit rate apparently. Yeah, not sure. Open the widget. So we've got stream, which it says good. It doesn't say excellent, it says good. Stream settings. So there's no, can't see any bit rate thing. No. So, yeah. But as I say, until you actually click the go live button, and you can only do that, you can literally only do that in the studio, only browser-based version of Studio, where you go into live stream as I did earlier, which was going to the live stream control panel. You can get to that from the studio, I believe. That's what I did. So I don't know if you can do that on your phone. Would you have to have a separate device? But as you can see, I'll move the camera. Just to catch up when it catches up. There you go, I'm moving the camera. It's about 5 or 10 seconds behind. But that is output on my camera going to the computer, and obviously live streaming to YouTube via the Osmo 360. So it does work. The go live button, having to do that to make it go live, because until you do that you're not live, and it doesn't matter how much you connect your camera to the Mimo app, you're not going to go live. And 3, does it have to be a separate, can you do it from the studio on your phone? So I don't know, because the problem is that when we're on the phone, as you can see here, I'll show you. So this is the actual phone. If we go out to there, go into the studio. Oops, wrong one. Here, go into the studio, and obviously need to be on the correct channel, that one. But when we're here, this obviously is a studio app content. You basically can't go live from here. There's no, please somebody tell me how you go live from the studio app, because there is no button. What's that button up there? Right, okay, this is not what we need. There is, like on the main page, so there is no button there. If I show you, let me show you let me get on the computer. So I go into the studio. So here are the studio. You have a create button up here, so you can go live here. So that's how you would do a live stream. Content live. So the live is here live. You basically have to come into here, into the live control room. But you can't do that on the Studio app on your phone. I'm pretty certain you can't. So let me just check again. Go back. So let's go back in. into Studio. Okay, so content we've got here, videos, playlists. There's no. So if I go there, no, because that will just take me to there. So there is no way now. I'd be very interested to hear if anybody has any ideas about this, because I don't see how you can do it on the Studio app on your phone. You have to have a separate computer. Now, if I do it on Google, or YouTube, go to there, and that one. So here is on the web browser. So I'm in here. Even on the, are we on the web browser? Is it the web browser? Or is that just the, let me just get rid of that. I don't know if that's Google or not. Right, this is YouTube on, hopefully on web browser. So there we go. Anybody can tell me what that is and how to do it? I don't know. What we'll do is we'll end the live stream. That's that done. So the YouTube page, and we have live streaming. There you go. So it's sent the end stream button, end live stream, which it works, but I think in the field you can have major issues with trying to get the thing to start, and I don't know how other people do it, but clearly they must have a separate way of doing it, the start and stop. Okay, so I may have solved one of the problems, that you can auto start, but it does mean that when you create the live stream you have to actually go into the settings part of it. So to do that, if we have our presumed live stream, which is listed as upcoming, we had that for our live stream. I'll use this one because this one was yesterday, but you can actually go into the settings part of it. Again, this is on the computer, so it may not be the same on the phone, but down here, enable auto start, which it says there, so it will start the stream when you send the data, and also it will end the stream. So then when you send the live stream as we did with our camera. So going via the Mimo, going to there, it will actually start and stop. It sort of does away slightly, does away with the idea of having to go into a computer-based studio. Now, I'm not sure if you can do this settings. As I say, I'm not sure if you can do these settings on the phone. Right, yes, as I say, it works well. It gives the output. There are a few questions like, how do you change the bit rate on that? How do you start and stop the actual live stream without a web browser on your phone or on your computer? Because it clearly, on your phone it doesn't work. There's no buttons there for you to be able to do a live stream. I'll have to go and have another look, but I'm pretty certain it doesn't work like that. You can obviously do a live stream, but you're not going to get any output on your channel until you actually start on YouTube, and stop on YouTube as well. So, hope that was helpful. Questions and comments down below, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.